Hi everyone, welcome back. It is now officially fall with October being here. I hope everybody had a good summer, and I know some of you guys are still in school, so don't forget to wear sunscreen every day. I'm using this E.L.F Cosmetics primer. It has SPF 50 and it helps blur my pores and sort of prep my skin for makeup. And yeah, it's just really great because it protects the skin with SPF as well. And I just smooth it all over my face. Next up, if you have dark eyes or girls like me, and it's totally normal, I'm going to go in with this peach concealer. It just neutralizes that dark blue and green color, and especially around the mustache area as well. I like to use a damp, Real Technique sponge. It just works really well and it's super affordable. I'm going to go in with this Blemish Balm cover by It's Skin. It treats acne at the same time because it contains centella asiatica and metacasicide. So I'm just going to dot it all over and use a sheer layer. For every day, I don't really like to go in with too much coverage. Yeah, it also contains SPF for a natural looking finish. Next, going in with sculpting, I'm gonna go in with my Etude house stick. It's dual ended, so I'm gonna use this end right here to just sort of define everything around the jawline, the forehead, and yeah. Go as close to the hairline as possible for like a natural definition. And this is also gonna set the base for eyeshadow later. It's super creamy, as you can see. Once I start blending it out, it's just very buttery. I really like this, and it's really inexpensive as well. So don't forget to blend it into the hairline upwards, not into the face. So blend it into the hair if you want it to look natural. So I've been loving this OHII, I think it's OHII glass powder. It's a really cute compact, and the color is just really cute. It's a translucent powder. It's pressed and it just mattifies your skin and preps it for, powder application after. I'm gonna go in with this E.L.F Cosmetics palette. It's a more warm neutrals, I would say. Even though it says summer breeze, you can definitely use it in the fall. I'm just gonna put sort of the two lighter brown colors and just define around the eyes a little bit, put some depth into it after the foundation. I'm using an upwards swooping motion just to blend everything out. Just make sure everything is well blended and nice. I'm also putting it under the brow bone a little bit. Next, going in this warm brown, like really warm brown, I'm gonna define the outer V and the inner V with a smaller brush. I really like the Real Techniques eyeshadow brushes just because it's small enough for really getting in there, and it's more precise, I would say. Don't forget to blend everything out. Next, in with warming up the face, I love this Rimmel Sunlight Powder bronzer. Just do it under the cheekbones a little bit just to sculpt it and provide more warmth to the face, because after foundation you can look a little bit washed out. I'm trying out this 3CE matte yellow shadow as blush. I like it so far. I tend to sort of tap off the excess on my hand just in case you apply too much pigment, and just sort of brush it on top of the bronzer just to blend it in. I feel like it gives a sort of like moody, sunsetty look. So I'm liking it so far. Next, to define the eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with this E.L.F ultra precise brow pencil. I feel like it's a really good dupe for all those slim brow pencils out there, and I think it was only $3, so I was like, okay, I'll try it out, and I ended up really liking it. And it also comes with a spoolie, so that's great. Going in with a brow mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Boy Brow. It's a brown one, and I'm just gonna brush the hairs upwards so they look more, I guess, aligned. To define the eyes further, I'm gonna go in with the dark brown color in the palette and just line and tight line the upper lash line and a little bit on the bottom as well. Make sure you use a clean fluffy brush after, just to brush just to blend everything and make sure there's no harsh lines. Going in with the same brow pencil, I'm gonna I'm just gonna apply it under the lash line for some definition. I'm not gonna touch the waterline at all. I'm gonna go in with the 2 lighter brown colors I used to sort of give that to the eyes to brush it under the brow bone. This gives a deeper look. Using a brow wax, I'm just gonna tame all those hairs and put them in place. I want them to look slightly, I guess, upwards, but messy, so a brow wax is gonna be good for that. And we're done with the brows. For lips, I want to keep it simple. I really like this product. I've used it a lot. It is the Bite Beauty lip gloss. It's just a perfect nude for me, for a lot of skin tones too. So it's just simple, I realized that I forgot to highlight earlier, so I'm just gonna apply the highlighter side from the Etude House pen again and just blend it out with my beauty blender. And after that, I'm just gonna set the face yet again with a brush, To finish it off, to give some more definition to the face, I'm gonna use my Too Cool for School art class by Rodin, just to give some, definition. And this is the finished look. This is optional, but I also applied some red brown mascara, so it's softer. It's definitely softer than a black one. And you're done. So thank you guys again. I hope everyone's healthy and happy this fall season. Be safe, and I love you guys. Thank you guys for all the support. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.